This is the backyard of Hawaii resident Keith Brock earlier in the week, which as of Tuesday has been completely engulfed by lava.
Unbelievable.
His house was one of at least 35 homes and buildings destroyed by the erupting Kilauea volcano.
No way, dude.
Emergency crews said they were ready to evacuate more people as fissures pouring red-hot magma are spreading into new areas of the eastern side of Hawaii's Big Island, 5 days after eruptions and earthquakes began rattling the state.
My God.
Roughly 1,700 people have already been ordered to leave their homes after deadly volcanic gases bubbled up through the cracks in the earth. Kilauea has opened 12 volcanic vents since it started spewing fountains of lava last week. No deaths or major injuries have been reported, though more earthquakes and eruptions have been forecast.